Hey guys, and welcome back to the Faculty Media Creation Hub instructional videos. I am your host, Dr. Russell Betts, and I'll be guiding you through today's lesson. Today we'll be learning about Mirror 360, a great little tool that Broward has to allow us to screencast, or mirror, if you will, our iPads, tablet PCs, iPhones, and Android phones to the overhead projector in the classroom, or simply just to another PC or Macintosh computer. It's a great little piece of software. To the best of my knowledge, every classroom computer on North Campus already has it installed. If it's not installed, my understanding is we have a blanket license for the whole college. So simply have IT, install it for you. Very nice, eh? So now, how do we use Mirror 360 and why would I want to use it? Well, imagine, again, taking your iPad with say there's a program on your iPad you want your students to use, or your PowerPoint slides are on your iPad and you want to project those on the screen in the classroom. And you can still walk around with it. You can use the Apple Pencil to help draw notes and annotate your lectures. It's really kind of cool. And you're not forced to be stuck underneath the Elmo. You can put the iPad on the podium and walk around a little bit. Makes your lecture a little bit more dynamic, if you will. So Mirror 360 is just a great little tool. So let's get into how to use it. It's very simple. It's actually extremely simple. So on your PC or Apple, or in Apple we use Spotlight, and PC use whatever you use to find programs. Type in Mirror 360. So there it is, Mirror 360. Enter, and it starts. On PC, I guess you go to the Start menu, probably in search there. Here's my Mirror 360 interface. Now, you can either type in this number into the Mirroring Assist program on your iPad or iPhone or Android or tablet PC, or you can use this Mirroring Assist QR code, which if you click this, a little QR code pops up. You can do that, or you can just type this into the Mirroring Assist program on your iPad. So let's take a look at the program on the iPad. Here we are. Here's my iPad that's in front of me. Let's find Mirroring Assist. There it is. Opens up. Now I've already connected my computer with this Mirroring Assist on this iPad, so I could just click the little button there at the top and it would connect for me. Not a problem. Or, let me fix this a little bit. There we go. Or I would click Scan Code, or I could click the Enter Mirroring Code. Now the scan code button, you can see it, it's right there in red. To the right in the lighter pink color, my face is over it right now. I'll just move my face so you can see. There we go. There's the Enter Mirroring ID. That was the number I showed you earlier. So let's just scan the QR code. That's kind of an easy thing to do. So using the iPad, hit Scan Code, and the camera. Oh yes, please use my camera. I would appreciate that. The camera pops up, and now you can see I have the iPad in my hand. There you go. You can see it now. And I'm controlling the camera. So just put the QR code in front of it. And it took a picture of the QR code. And now we are all set. All we have to do now is follow the steps that are on the iPad. And you can connect your iPad to your PC. So let me switch back to my computer. There's the QR code we just scanned. So let me now go through the steps. Now let me just minimize this window and pull this window over here a little bit. This is my iPad. I'm using QuickTime. As I showed you in a previous video, I'm using QuickTime at this point to record the video. But now I'm going to go through these steps so that I can connect using Mirror and not QuickTime. Looks like my light keeps going off. Sorry. So swipe up from the bottom. There we go. And now we're in what's called Control Center. And we're going to want to go to this button right here. There. So now my QuickTime is disconnected. And now this window will pop up called Splash Shot. And hopefully... Oops, I shouldn't have hit that. Sorry, I hit the wrong button there, folks. Sorry. There we go. Now it should be coming back online. There we go. Something's wrong here. There we go. Now we're mirroring. So now I can go through my iPad. It takes a minute to connect. So now I can go through my iPad and do whatever I want while I'm here. And I don't have to be connected through QuickTime. So you're not tethered to the computer with a QuickTime lightning cable. You can just wander around the classroom. So let's go through that one more time, how to do it. Once you scan the QR code, simply swipe up from the bottom with your finger. So I went to the bottom of the iPad and I swiped up with my finger. I went to this, looks like a little square with a triangle underneath of it. Clicked on that. And then I clicked, the only option I had really was to click the top one where it says Apple TV. It's using the Mirroring 360 app, and it will put your iPad to the computer. Now, the resolution of this is not good because I have my monitor's resolution set very low in order to make my YouTube videos look good for you guys. But in reality, the resolution is quite good through the computer and through the computer screen if you have it set to the proper resolution to begin with, which of course I'm not right now because I'm making YouTube videos and trying to get the videos to be the best quality I can. Okay, so it's a great little tool called Mirroring 360, and I hope that you all will find a reason to use it because I think it's a nice program, and I want the school to keep purchasing us this really great software for us to use to help empower our students to move forward. Now with that, I hope that you've gotten something from this video. Please let me know in the comments below. Please like and subscribe our channel, and please stay tuned for more, hopefully, exciting videos on the Faculty Media Hub YouTube channel. I hope to see you all soon. Bye.